yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV.
Right, I was ya mamo na ya mwakwaba ene fiada aseda enkoma onyame oguso na ade nyina fefe de nyame bia so ye etere bi wa ya wonti ase but ade nyame bia no eye nti ne fie different if fiada ba bia so de to fiada ba bia ho a ense esronko kra nti ade nyame bia so no esronko na oye so a ya na efe na ehye de nkro no edemonyam ya trase Kumawood TV me din se ma idumade no sinupi o hwe fie na bia fa upi kwa bonte kota de abetumi afa phone no on Facebook Kumawood TV and on YouTube so Kumawood TV o drop comment no benyamre na ya kenkan so e de ama yedi nkobo ya agye ncha de beba na yetimi akenkan e de ama o de voice note nso bebe nyamre na ya bo e de ama na voice note no e ya ama na nye in less than 1 minute na yetimi emo enkosi awiye entimi efa bro 1 minute a e bia na yetimi mo enkosi awiye se de opese o kire wa adwene ya trase enyamre na yetimi edi nkomo aseda enkoma God's Way Casket Shop Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic Kumawood Training Institute and afi so bi enkoma our travel and logistics so nyina no boy me de dwumade etimi edi abro na fie nyame edi akyeye trans se ya na de ka cho nyina ene se mawakoma eno nyame ase bata erade so ho ntudo akoma no e bata nyame ho a it doesn't matter the nipa be ye it doesn't matter the nipa be dwene the nipa be ka nipa nsuye nyina no onyame timu po ene be gina enti bia na nei people can just walk over you if you say bia onyu bia bitna ka de ka bia kire be de bia kire but as society it is God who blessed and the blessings and divine blessings come from above do nyame mra na nkasa so a wa na ya fa wo se oye obi a onsan fata no onyame edo baby na oso abanfaso asonyame nyam de okom nyina no it is just a trail to your victory so one passes how de no anko de emma nyambotre na etwen na sede asantefo ebenesity no enipa be hu da chi bi afere amonyame nyam ayekese because fa de obi de fa mu ho ebusuamu efiemu adwumamu asetenamu bia sorry mu odi ekoso na esife onyankopon na ma tumi ya fine enfo bi ho adwembo na so trim I always tell you this emo obi ho adwembo na so trim no bi nya yisula ukawi ano aka okoba bi enfo bi ho adwembo so trim don't think evil for anybody and don't be happy when somebody is in problem na ehwe se onyame onhyira wa yede ogidie pa se nipa bi ho ya fare nto so paso trim so bi hu na afare na nyam no akọ ede ama izonyame midin ede se Mike and if fiada nti issues na kaba so sa na the course na otwum nyina the appointment of the acting IGP taking over from the outgoing IGP effective 1st of next month COP George Akufo Dampare among for members of parliament and the politicians other civil societies are expressing satisfaction about his job so with me adwuma ayeni amano etimi aboa the new surge of COVID-19 data variant ekoso nipa dodo a omo enya COVID-19 yare ni bi the third wave ya hwe hu ya Ghana Health Service kase bitimi aba and also ehon ensem ha and right to him as the special prosecutor the second one ni yenya no RBC Matenamidu anai lawyer kisi ejaben and converting na ni age I say yes you can do the work I say yeah me age no has nothing to do with that even president crowd meet me adi and then someone also ade atuja and also komo ewa ha we dey say any universities lectures ahodo ho muso nya strike on back office aban no mo nyin ye and share makoti asem condition of service no our form and also some ewa ha parliament ye na mat ya pass bill ebetimi ade akwati officially yade be kwati and LGBTQ+. There's a man dano hono ibitimi edi akwatia intimi enyen o my Ghana so ene nei de abitoja o my Ghana so ene sekunofurata ene de atuja se oka ama Ghana fo bi atimi atibi se so bi koka se ya de free searchers no be se ya de yabo ede de fan de free searchers anya no kre o se yenkwaje bi se bi a emfa de free searchers o my no yehwe na yetimi Council of State esi omontrase na omomampani armchair advice bia omeko na wakutiti the ofom na mo de abaka omomampani ehu de ekoso my Ghana edwafo akatua won sensem and also ehun komo ewa ha 4% mo ka se ofom pa omomampani enko na onsan emre bi onsam no de doso enyamre na yetimi edi na nei me guest omoya mi ensa ntiwe kona we ba me financial expert ewa ha ora James for national organizer at the credit unions you need to come about 15 minutes you we are the CEO Edema Hefra Health Facility Regulatory Agency among all hospitals, health centers, health facilities all my Ghana inano omo ehweso CEO and they will fear in Yamrene din come on COVID. Yes, most of the health centers, non-hospitals now even receiving patients omonya COVID no and sebe no so dey go come mo hwe aboa CEO akasa o Yamrene din come on afi onyafo no se wala sabe bi o na set aside nso abeke ho ne din come on amanyose mu nti Friday by fully pack enya fi dey free ha the wasa what Yamre na what ye din come starting with this kasemu ade se me ankasa me niapani James Safo atnase amana kwaba na afi yen sha se adwen che de be Yamre akenkan e de ama numbers no e na go screen as no fabra ne Yamre akenkan once again me din e de say Mike, this is your most authoritative and educative social political program on your TV Mondays to Friday. I trust you. Say we are there and we free her pa. Oina kwaba
ya mnia
ibi aboko there.
Yes, madam, bi aboko.
We asumdue ana we national
we national croft. We for board of directors.
Oh, okay. Board of directors.
Normally your binary conference here. This is the croft. Normally board of mission so omo croft ni.
Oh.
Yeah, the back on staff there no.
Oh, okay. And I am doing last 2 weeks na ye he kwa bit me afa so a se wonyuma ketenkete kura no a ye mfa sa nyuma ne sika enkon se project bi mu na enkon lake na e bitimi edi sika no atoa so aye adwuma kakra ye pie ye na Saturday no bi busa me last 2 weeks Saturday no bi busa me se ya na de ha mo pa enso so eye besia. I don't know, say if you can look at that one, managing our finances, no. So because we be kwaje besia, dey na also jina so a ultimate je besia. Juma be na wo ya, also kwaje besia dey because there are a lot of people are kwaje besia no. They don't koye no. And far income be and some maybe you at the hotel about my business no e collapse. Let's see if you can look at that area too. Loans and then quite fast one. Juma wo ya was say ultimate e jina so je besia.
That's it. You can you chiama yati for ne yahwefo na last 2 weeks ina ino mushia e che obi e mo bia so adwo o eba Kumawood TV so chia adofo ne ahwefo nyina bi me ka to bi afa COVID-19.
Okay.
COVID-19 no e re e ho ti obo ho ban na me bo me ho ban a ina yare no e bitima dey a control uti won pania. Was it about the manage economy there? We can bring back the economy. But say you bring back life there day. Because you lose Ghana lose there.
Sure.
To be a mono by COVID-19 or abrafon recently amubo Europe 2020. Omu to be a gui. Hwede asa to omo. E kire say yare no enkosa. That's be Mickey. Because who say o manage finances ni nyina no is bordered with four elements.
4 elements.
Okay. Planning.
Okay.
Controlling. Controlling means you control expenditure. Anyhow, organizing or say also a directing.
Organizing or directing.
Directing. With man away, no. Organizing the year. Now what's actually the year. Anyhow, also taking decision making.
Okay.
We make it effective decision.
Okay.
So for element we know. It might be our baby no before we loan no also planning.
Okay.
Before we could busia de be she udma we no. Because busia kasa no. Busia here or say a supporting capital.
Okay.
And yet working capital.
Supporting capital. The cocoa support to adwuma no. The fa ko se adwuma na se.
No. Eduma bia we bia no. So unya seed money.
No ko nya free.
So we started bia so we ska dada. Ase o ko anai. So we kasa personal money dada. Enu ni wona oje busia. Busia no me move mana but e be level bi na eduma decline. And then bayi and then
okay. So take it again. Also loans are supporting capital.
Loans support to capital. if I nye any starting capital we need any capital we say dey be aduma no
ebre
obey ma banks no
okay because interest so
say bank dey principal plus interest say Ghana system no ye say na malo say for loan ko aduma interest nko period of year bi na dey capital number Ghana system no intisa
yeah
you pay the principal plus the interest at the end of every month or either quarterly or half a year or a year so assume you say oh yeah business yeah but say business no capital eh 5,000 you should have 3,000 as your own money
okay
not 2,000 na support to or capital of 3,000 no not 2,000 na be 3,000 income level na fighting loan amount what the measure say
okay 3,000 ebe boa 2,000 no ebe let me
2,000 boa
3,000
say
okay
odima start no business in the capital near 3,000 na business in
yeah
at the end of every month be interest of beer or maybe a profit of beer or say 400 Ghana cedi who capital no
yeah
but so odima na no demand osoro but am say only in our capital won't mean more supply now more supply to supply all kinds until you go for a loan of 2,000
okay
and I best support 2 or 3,000
okay
only 5,000 na akushi the most gusu na oba kwa no beti manya gusu a we supply more tell say o 3,000 ma profit of we say 600 Ghana a month ya 2,000 beka wa bonya bi say 400 sa beka onya 1,000 do you loan do you loan 2,000 no if you have yes simple amount so loan go so be able to loan pass 300 because say wo se kan umra da bi no onya bi dia dey o de me no enti wo no enti so in this case you know before business be so wo see the money
okay
e ko an udika wo see the money ye the money kakra na wo hwe eduma no growth that's a planning no kind of formant no planning no okay me eduma yi me ye mo say eduma no say emove but me capital so me surprise about me enough goods
enfa mo
efa ma me clients
yeah
the baby me lose money
okay ti minya be se mo me fit me epushi
that you plan
okay
because you have loan capital straight
okay nti obi a won say no area amanfo hopa mrante ma ba hopa manfo dwefo so doso onyanwa mo beton no ho obechikala weli obeye ne ma bia kaka ho indomi ono no oniska ontimi nko bani ne bi nko bo se amfa ma no ma ne fa ko ye
anka ideally as an initial money for business party normally I say either say obonya obi a oben no amount without interest
okay
and then we say what the capital
okay
how do you with the capital the growth rate of the business is
okay the first way manager dey man and they said loans are supporting capital
yes
answer na kwaje besia na kan so wo sika bi wo hodada a dey adwuma no na wo kwaje besia na abeka ho amadwuma na tuma pagya
yes
I believe I'm right
yes
okay trust one more that
it was say in the kaduma bia na adili intera nanka obi aduma na ara say o papa ni ma me onimi emanu edwetre so bo dwetre
okay
e ska ho do a pressure eni so da fe na wo ko start aduma no until law was what the growth of the business everywhere you normally go buy or say buy me or say as credit no say it say no na wo open say na wo dwetre say ina ni bia so yanyi loan enche wo dwetre and so second option edima ye bia no emma loan no enche working capital na wo de ma no
eni ko say besia na beje no
a cd wo capital na ye wa wo de ano
adentia
yes say a group about the planning and decision making no
okay
because any day me who say edima na me ye no who say banks na de o ma bosia no but the people so ya oje every ko na in the period na ene mo ya ton profit margin ntimi na capital ni bi na e ko tua loan
go ko na juma ko nya start Africa now we in the process. How do you loan? No?
Yes.
The person so ya so OTB ko ko
because the man tun tani ma unya growth. Ti o planning we show ni edma mi yi. We will say and then me dey hodo. As say bank crab be sika me will say aka no.
Okay.
Ibe ni BSc bank say the man ko egunti ya sika. Oma 10 months contract. 6 months balance bay.
Yeah.
It was more than the loan now. Because the loan because of the stock. What to buy day at all. Ideally, as a business or an entrepreneur, before what's the working capital first.
Okay.
The one now taking decision making no. Oh, the one now organizing edumano. Now say direct edumano. Element, you know.
What's the difference between directing and organizing?
Before transit assess.
Yes.
Ebekwa. Hana mzee ko eduma. Sema no anwa mo ni carry out kan.
Okay.
O se survey e feasibility study area o. You to the person e na mo.
Yeah.
Are they use there many to probably my goods. And now organize business no. Or organize on. I said o come make no. That environment no. O mu taste to say. You put into organization, no?
Okay.
You could do what? Okay, I area for the business. Say them, Mr. Director, Edumano. That be na me no you na a good time for the those around. That's the old director normal. Me kasa the body language. Or you put all these things together. Organizing and directing.
Okay, so Fabra di mkakra. For instance, let's use the media.
Media, yeah.
For example, directing and organizing.
Before I boss will be Kumawood. No so will be Kumawood. Or translate organizing normal. Or say about Ateka Junction. This is the location. I have a board business.
Why do you even choose Atenga Junction?
Yes, it's
part of
the organizing.
Okay.
Study feasibility studies that we put in place. What are the staff for? Me know start to do now. They move fast. You know, as part of the organization, you know, they into direct the staff.
Okay.
Make it una be rules. Time say this program. We never compare advertiser. To yet you directing. They are not combining pushing the business.
Okay.
The one you know to 2 years. If you know say be free here, be kwa. Be free here, be kwa. Until you know about usa controlling. Controlling no. This is because it maybe no. You see the you know point there. Maybe no escape ma and expenditure so cost. You control expenditure so what. Also you own growth. Don't control expenditure. Yeah, you will see the growth.
Okay. If you don't control expenditure well,
you get paid. Na time o market na track abosom yena so man bo na ekoyen. You control expenditure. We uchira de uchira din. Yesu uduru o bia stage 1 o ka tia ya 1000 Ghana take home.
Yeah.
After the dash, that's it. But you fete no. It was 10,000 must take home. Nti o bia in control expenditure no. O man bo.
Okay.
Economically o man bo.
Yes, I do be also in control expenditure no.
Yeah, it may be ano. Scale bomb na entrepreneur no it me there.
Okay.
We do growth rate. But yeah production possibility frontier economics now. Business be started from zero. Man economics a growth rate no curve na. And when we buy ya manage no ya you can hit the growth but one manage person na aside decline.
Okay.
It will be level ye bi wana mati bi wa itutu. Ti na control expenditure. So one person na staff ni kam. Awasa na ye tin no maso. Se be ya de bia no the capital de ma no. E be strong. But the force e da na ye. Ready di preku. Etu we ka so ma me 10,000 ka me pe. E ma ta ka pe. Na di ma no so no, di ma no so na me 10 no. Ya dwene di ma no dwetre wo de. Britain a 10 year, maybe aduane di. ye peni ina diri ne ya diri eduma ndache nti o se o control
okay
nti bia the financial management no this four element financial management no planning
controlling
organizing and directing na controlling the decision making your board that is no the board and the management take decision for the business.
Okay. So the next way will be say who be here say obi a bia oye adwuma so makobo besia di kosudan
before
oye adwuma ndu me say adwuma na nya den ya boso bia na nya profit of 1000 Ghana
ina a planning side of the business any say organization and directing me we adwuma no also who adwuma no profit level you could money be na na say we ya nuru a also itua oka nso musu da ya ana man ni itua oka ma no so look to no one is an effective adwuma capital na what entrepreneur be lucky am the business ya me ma oba no fe accountant
say na buy
also your be 20,000 account me 10,000 mame you go to maker if you are 20 na down your project be ya e be say 40,000 ko yi 10 no 10 kan timi sa project no
okay
fe na di man e decline trete problem bia no ma ho mre tikadili di man e tua ka o be bia na you do according to salary because the money you know and the bia na the man and the sun bia na profit no e cost
okay
a bank be bia sun you are sun be decline it could deal more
we say because most financial institutions are in him by na ejana so pa abu ho say bia na egu how to use offices no mutime jibe 5 within a year I heard the quantity of money in so called modernization offices now. I feel be na bibia no from that's why I said
a lack of planning and organization. If our financial institution no establish a branch no study environment or branch no how much can you able to motivate for the day also share the particular business area office na ko put aside because before we be a branch no nya fa get be mamu ko yi head office sika na across the branch
yeah
because before we branch no office ni na sika no if you head office you are in udi ko
main account
no o capital na ko yi be office and how much can you mobilize for that area maybe you say maybe Ghana ayi microfinance be 1 pound e ko say office bi o say na mobilize
me junior back onya bi noble dream he was my junior at university we na you could see so the way I know we see rising no it will be now say about
and rising ono na force rising
okay
also the money move branch I know we move branch
okay
because before I establish office no what's the location of the business
okay
how much can you mobilize
okay
staff no ko eduma one organization here it will fall flat.
Who controls the finances of the company? I was saying you may run one and on one could control the finances no sikeba on one also control and I was say sikeba no he said that move be special I no control
eduma bia no owner of the business no we part of decision making
okay
we part of the board of directors one of the money there eduma ro bia no also financial control una chief financial controller because una appoint accountant accountant take decision from you say father you say Kumawood here we me accountant accountant we yes ka say ona edma be that time me much magnet be ka but what we ke ijaya e boa da bi me mpre me wa say wa no male no from board te me bia papa bia no bro from board a o fa technical to o ni dia wo See to edumasi ka ho. No on my part. No say we Ghana kwa on pese what your capital state. Say ko pa on capital state.
Yeah.
And for capital state.
Not say who be here say well maybe next week we will look at that one and then we say you look at that one. You be na see your board members.
Okay.
You be ya. Maybe ya. And well-established company. And how do you determine well-established company? Because some companies who are always well-established, but we don't know. No, we say near money now.
Just say they are running one man show. No, so well-established here. I would say in your shareholders, your stakeholders. Did you see about who the man? Also, those are the man buy.
And come away.
But the person yes and back for them.
Come away, yeah.
Well, because maybe I know you're credit you franchise increases, you know. Me be the manager, no. Maybe we want to say I'm the head of the management team.
Okay.
And the board, no. The body are almost supervising major activities.
Okay.
So I always report to the board.
Okay.
What is going on with the business?
I mean, the Misika, and maybe my Juma. Why am I going to say board member?
Why house why? It don't for the fact. Tell me be a quarana.
I know this of media.
So if now your financial banks, commercial banks be about equivalence, that's an issue now.
Fanamba Tuja. Now, I wish you didn't come on financial management, and my catch was saying the Friday, and come on the doors of and you didn't come on. The financial management in the Janema and nice so the kind planning. Say, answer quite a bit, you answer what you want plan ye. They told me, you know, directing and answer who control directing or organizing. And you have to direct the company, direct the institution. One is no one in your area, no Jumano Egu, and then you are trying to make a good decision making, very vital. So, me fed my phone, me and sa, and I'm here, Jumano. Can they do the work? Somebody is there any reason I was talking for become one now? And if I add up, can I pay? Me want me could be another shopper. Meet me manager control ye, and then controlling no honor and so na ebemuno. Wa and what can say? Obaje besia ye nye besia. Ever go say you must say. E dey besia na kokko boa. Ejuma na oyeno. I think manager Fanamba Tuja ne we nko akra no sa besia ho de no nko akra no. Asa me catch them yanka dey sank manya you. Asa me one can see yanchi be. Say e dey ever see.
No money 0246
58 70 69 0246 58 70 69 we ora James Safo number intibia na ope say obetu futu okwa so osika semu a oto safre no o friend phone so na je nko na afra na ire produce ni for that five na jonya problem but apart from that no anytime your friend bia no o mre nko betumi on odi nkomo na education papa bi obi otumi di ama an sakra na woduma no wa chance you face challenges so afre no na eni ho nkomo start taking ade a obi di aba bia next week we jamre so na after na manager obeche obi ana fe menase
ya chair usafo nyina ya chair all the managers across the region na nyambo on the 4th of August.
And
your staff training.
Some young guys your staff.
KNUST.
Okay.
Disability Center. School of Business.
Business school.
The question will be a man staff. The question is no.
Yeah, Santa Region.
Yeah, Santa Region.
Oh, okay.
Some good facilitator free game partner. Lego ebetre. Okay. To be a man staff, me join me there.
Mati.
It was Kasemu.
Right. Yati. And the 4th of August. And also a special day. Fix the country. The ones others are fixing the country. Others will also try and learn how to at least be good collectors and good managers
of the
financial sector. Okay. Manja yana so James Safo na motene ka yen twa wo semamra ye ba CEO Edema Hefra Atrase enyamre na afie no so atu atwaso e ba sisia.
Animudia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinum ba from ho se me o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra ya adwuma memene da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwew because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini emwa ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na ono ne kodaye afa de ye ube ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be hu say abɛyɛ mremremre
okay
wo ba nyem easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni nsia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu eno suko na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsem utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo befre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
and yaro ahodo ben na agi ni padua no aboso yare bi ti se eni yare akoma yare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo me kanfo tahwid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie ni padua no ni titiw ede ma emma wonuma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonica eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso ye de aba adwaman so ye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintanyi nyina edi Katri clinic ewo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne ewo Madam Katri clinic yarwe nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
well all pia obusia ise ifilimu why the den the be slower we na fa kokko we film na se dia wa woni tua wo fa se no mo ma ye den ma menti we we na we yere na mfa nkonkoye diguma na ma why slower
ebusia yenko no Kumase
na mo ko Kumase
Martin Luther
oh na it's been a long time oh yeah
me say Minia, obra kwantu ya wo. Semina na ma ya nka twene ni ahwedan yo. Na bisu ya pani asoma me. Semina me pada ka. E wo Kumase akamara. Na me se ya chini. Ye nya da ka yi.
Kokra na nsani o. Na nsemu wana mo daswa. Wo hia me dia, woni problem kra. Wo beje di se me free Dubai, betru Ghana. Ana me na nakobedantwi. Wo to na nanu ansia do. Ni eja yi ni pro me so. Ewa brede mi ni kapre odu obi na kire me grocery casket shop a ewu Kumase labor haya me ko ho no ma anu musa ni me yes kan hye yo
Ni de bi ntwa no. Misika ya di ma me se me famra no. Ni so abezu ya se me ambulance. Na me sam fa de be da no enka
ambulance ani de be da ho omu ya ambulance service into ni problem kra ani na ye ye ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know se Kumase stay by plan no ye kwena mko kira o some grocery casket shop ye wona kamebere se se de mu hu ni na grocery casket shop ye wo Kumase Infantile town ye di labor office ne ben grocery casket shop ana we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets
Right, I was here. I'm Ugoso Sinupi. We are live on Kumawood TV. O journey Facebook and so Kumawood TV on YouTube Kumawood TV. Any a fiada sedemaka no. First no. Na ye kasa na ibi nsi ehwene. Edu ebi na esa se be se ehwene. Emre kwani mu no na yina na yade ya se bibia no kọ eni yiye. Say asan be se ehwene biu. But the most important thing, I think the interesting factor of everything is a share in the year enkuyen, a share in enkuyen. But a share no air boy a buying, air booming near being so buying at the free area COVID-19. Is a crowd here? It didn't know a marathon who can view, say a data variant that in the COVID-19. On my gun, you know, penny at the health facilities. Our Ghana na sell nensa so woni animu hwe na your regulatory facilities ni yie said the bear me no me apomode na betumi agyan na so no ewa ha Kumawood this year Kumawood no free there's a kron uni free mo enye yie asante Kumawood ha ya Dr. Philip ya bano ewo fi ha ye ne nkomo COVID-19 why doctor abrochi memu na dia bagana health insurance we are health open nti say kaka health there na your one catch in the go. It's a privilege to have him once again and then on Sinupi. Dr. Akwaba.
Yeah, bro.
Yes. What about Kodia?
Nyamiadum.
O political suit enya goro kra.
Medas.
Enya goro kra ijawum pa.
Medas.
Ba mo de nyama ba na aba. Mo yen kan sa. Say mo de mo firi buru so kra na yen oye. Oh. Nti nketo ano ujafo mo sa na nka. E ka so o ba na aba. Na mo de mo buru so ache. Doctor, on a more serious note. COVID-19. Ne ka se ko. Say nko.
Ya nko yo. Mama for akonya so encha watifo nyina na wahwefo nyina. Me check my Kumase Santema mu obi otibia me check mu nyina. Ne me check Kumawood adise nyina so tia so nko pa so de ma. Ye no COVID-19 no started best March last 2020 drew Ghana recorded first March 12. Yeah. And now course in 2 waves. About from one and about from. Ben now 2 million. Assign acting. Yes, it is a employ.
Cases here. Your honor because Yariano new search a costro even crowd came. Released by Kumase the say a nipa more than 200 and about 10 within 2 weeks or something region. Is that the case?
Yeah, number yeah, there's yenya wave and kasadi, but no mess not started a coffee.
Why a case wave now? I know anything.
Yes, there's a very big spike. Like you had in December, we can say Nipa be chairman on the buy, you know. Yeah. Babunya mon January mon a course papa we about 3 to 4,000 cases in a day.
Okay.
And that was a real spike.
Okay.
Yeah, on news.
How they do now amount for quality and lockdown.
And so you could lock down now stringent measures.
Okay.
Back to say no wedding, no funerals.
In general.
In what the bias concerning the member numbers. The first 2 weeks of this July, I recorded 2,500 cases.
2,500
cases.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, which means and just overnight, within a 24-36 hours, we had 240 new cases.
Wow.
Nationwide. That is increasing. It's nothing compared to some other countries where they are getting in like 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. Yeah, but that is also concerning for us. Until I started a course compared to say April, the same 2 weeks in April of this year, the same 2 weeks, they are less than 1,000. Okay. 968.
968
for the whole 2 weeks cases. Until the first 2 weeks now you're already across 2,500, and then overnight we have 250 cases, new cases now. Yeah, that is why I said no. I said this one coming.
Okay.
I heard the big one at the back. Now, a bunch of soon and now, or yet testify, you monitor.
Test the negotiable cost.
A cost of the I buy essays couple. Think I saw says I buy a boy who buy or this car. Look at the school for me. They are constantly monitoring, doing contact tracing. And you know, that Delta variant, Abedru Ghana, started with India, the whole Europe, especially UK. In Europe and UK, they are saying Ghana. Now, one of the measures here will be genomic testing. Genomic test, we can tell the kind of the virus.
Yeah, understand. Name 43 be cross.
But they are worrisome, and you go in danger. Alpha one in the first one, okay. A new one, Delta one if in India, and then they are more concerned. Infectivity rating is very high.
Okay.
And you know, and then I say, Emma said, we need to pay more, and I could.
But new variant, he said, okay, as I say, baby, and a buy here. You say, Udru could counsel testing the cost. I command to say it to me, my Musabra, you.
And what was a very good question? Yeah, testing one, and the testing should be able to identify it. But as you know, say, be I will be playing more. Now, say, be our coffee or so near dinner. So within short hours, we do the car intimate picking. And a plane is very easily infect people in closed buildings, in closed areas, and very easy. Until I tell you, because of course, sorry, I can hear mosque. Because usually it's an enclosed building. A year to the end, you open the car. Sporting events, you open the car, but you can still pass it on. And no testing is 100%.
That advice say Abia if you come to neighbor, you test your crown or still, and can who be here says we are negative crown and can stay away from people bare 2 weeks no. I don't know. So that is no abana jaguana.
It sounds COVID in the bar for Mintino. Yeah, relax hokaka. So be a bar na no mako 2 weeks because 2 weeks no quite isolation or quarantine. Some you said no hotel near dinner. Until now, testing now we are screening people now at the airport. That was sufficient enough to keep the numbers down. But it's just our Delta in and say, well, you need to be money.
How serious is this new variant, Delta variant?
Hey, it's serious. Ghana had the evil is accountable for the normal increase of deaths. This new variant, the US pour more data. Is 100% in some hospitals. The deaths are due to the Delta variant and our months vaccination. So that tells you how deadly this new virus is. This strain of the virus is. So those who have not vaccinated, it's almost at 100% in them. In some hospitals in the US. The deaths in COVID is occurring those who have never been vaccinated against any of the variants of this virus.
Now, is a vaccine working?
The vaccine works. I can give you some numbers. Vaccine okay. Oxford AstraZeneca,
okay.
And Pfizer BioNTech,
okay.
And Johnson & Johnson,
okay.
And Union Russia for so much energy. Sputnik V, and then Sinovac, China for so many. But Ghana, we've relied mainly on the trade from the Western countries.
Okay, because maybe call first one AstraZeneca.
AstraZeneca, and if you use it. And you say, one crown, it gives you up to 33% protection. That's the first dose.
Okay.
2 now, it gives you almost 70%. Protection. 74.5%. O2 now against the first alpha variant.
Okay.
Right now, a new study has been published last week. O2 now it gives you 67% protection against the Delta. do the AstraZeneca, no, Oxford AstraZeneca, and the most vaccine used in Ghana. It is giving us protection. And so far, we are was vaccine Delta and said you, and then Amana Ashadai, or the mention.
And Rana, regional NPP communication team member, is our regional secretary. Not or can't be or show you should say, or on when you be. Well, what 2 vaccines need but still one was saying disease no it
can happen because Delta no and no one in some places 100% death there's a so many
okay
and what they mentioned that tells you the difference how important that vaccine is doing for us. I'm coming near this some so you try to American say this the vaccine is very 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 important or more multimillion Pfizer for them with the new boarding. Okay. And over one gives you only protection about 40%.
Over one. Say yeah, no. One 30 no. 30%. No. We know one at 40.
It's almost 36%.
Oh, okay.
Pfizer for them. O2 now is almost 93.7%.
Wow.
Against the Alpha first NMR. Ziano is giving you 88% protection against this Delta now.
Wow.
So that gives you some idea how it is. Now Johnson & Johnson is also around the same range of numbers. And the best thing about it is a one shot.
Okay.
A one shot, but unfortunately no problem kakaba. Now a binimunya blood clots in the for a little bit portion. One shot very very good. This year we are falling back on AstraZeneca, relatively cheaper, inexpensive. It's a UK-based one, Pfizer, BioNTech, and US based. But that's where we are now.
Right. Right. I was when Dr. Philip Yabano, CEO, Edema Hefra, Health Facility Regulatory Agency, and I don't know AD and come on. We had a whole for near Jamaica, Dinkomo, I most of the regions know her, Hefra for Omunruho, but they need the COVID number. And COVID no, you didn't say a corner, someone whom so a new variant be a Delta variant. You did home come up. Now I have quite a bit me a boy and by what is the work I say, 1 hour panny any bino. Back on him, you know, dear, a bit me account, but then and did you some say, who free mudia, Yamebo won't free. So, Doc, it tells you, say, Ubi will be no, or no rest level, no, so far.
And correct. No, correct, maybe as well as mechanics here, since I was on their bench. Or more, almost social media, and other commentators, Nana, Sabio, Muyinko, 4 Mama, 2 as a vaccine in Bama, 1 year, assume you know, who be now on some, you know, and we be seen. If I saw more, one my who near dear NC or mining, because Ziano, COVID, no treatment be any hobby. Be no castle pale, and also will say now the Mawa said you are an be a calm, so you look at her. Oh, sir. Yeah, anyway, yet me a test here. It shows a human. Have you even done that? Well,
Uti Heba doctors now. Every mobile we say, no, you won't. No, the idea we consciously kaboom one more. Remember why they but testing say okay what take that pain no say your mom famra na testing here okay
my mention in medicine you probably be placebo
okay
placebo effect when is a common ne plan e ka enipa o ha e mo di o twekra ni ko mu nim kra da so mo yare you tibe ya kakra 1 or 2 days na wa fa ho na Unsa teenagers prana do na unsa yaso munyo onyam adomo encommon to ho
okay
say as a wood fish dua say dua nine special wood fish eduonu mu a ekono as bia say diabetes blood pressure na kuma yare kidney yare mo ne ta so mo say bi mo na ya mfanya me dia edino ya dey sanity so and na 20% nko on be ya no kwa no go hospital for 2-3 days na no coffee is that 5-10% no one of critical elder mention and you know obi catch no madro ya na hotel no boom Sabi ebia sana yare na tieda da ntino mayan fa yakoma nko shem bebre second mpa say wait me adwuma nke nko be buy claim from Donald Trump was bleach okay they say almost everybody have ivermectin even doctors who thought have ivermectin next time malaria medication nicole quinadina they are proven not to be true ntino the what has shown to be true and the kata ya no se me makata manu na wakata wanu na so we are 2 meters apart now there's less than 3% chance
okay
some will be cry me the be man and I will be at the be man but me dey free me ho it goes somewhere high
okay
for the me say wa bontin dey nkoma from an dey bo nyina dey ko it's very very important covering our nose and mouth and do this 2 meters away second thing is you will see inside Veronica Bakeni, I was saying that would be on wire, dear. So, what you hope I remember about so. And we come and catch you be as a bus and Mike in the studio. Veronica Bakeni did as well as some line I did now. Okay. Very, very important because you understand it is so near the third thing is that, of course, the physical distance now, then the fourth thing is, oh, boy, not for you, not on the major. And I enjoy you, air face bomb near dinner because I was someone idea. Those are very, very important that still work. Whether alpha variant or delta variant, they work. Of course, hospitals, use PPEs, infection prevention control measures. And then one more thing. Inside the especially hospital, there's almost too good how to manage that waste.
Okay.
But that waste can be potentially infectious. And that one is something about the road. And can we no clinic, hospital setting because the chances are sick people are coming there. And who to go be in a hour with me. If you wish a lab coat, I'm still in fun coffee. No, no laundry, especially in you minimize the chances of infecting other people.
Maybe I walk a bit, but what has been the challenge so far? In Sanka Yariano, in Sananka Cockrell. Ama a year crowd with Munam Kokubia, Cassifrey, Namudi, or Penny Court, Naman Echo, Sajo D, see you, and I won't see you, so I say, quite a year, and Namunas wouldn't say COVID you or dog. Anana Mubrifi, Jamo say, Echo.
But that's so bizarre. And American, I think I had a year is organized by family. It's not organized by the state. It's not outdoor on the mention. And now it's in an area, it's different. Accra and Kumasi or Hapa. That place was a little bit outside, but excuses are not good. There were too many people there. It shouldn't have happened. A sanka baby, baby, very cabacati, honey, or sanitizer, and could be an idea. Lipa bear half or no money. Lipa bassa. Until Munam Panche. Challenges Nibia, you want to say contact tracing and a but you move. A school for no money. There's some contact tracing and other things that all students. We need to redouble our effort there. Said a delta, the chance effectivity rating is very high. Protocol 7 you go 4 basic things. I say about to preaching it. And the third one is the vaccine. There's so much media negativity. Say this.
And look, I saw you. Not me call me first one. To be frank with you, I thought I was dying.
Really?
Oh yes.
Wow.
Before my first one, me call the GCR. One of my what media houses never had their cocoa. And I thought I was dying that night.
Really?
Everything was bad for me. Although afterwards, the people crack so we know it yeah, obey my crown, obey my own to me, but it's not true.
It's not true.
But be more so that way, they said, Makovi, Menya some.
Sometimes I say cancer and I say you don't know how you are going to react. But say Obama na say we need two and na say we be me exaggerate this animal and this and they say yellow fever ni MMR ni other vaccines on your go ko sakra ko bobia yeah be 1 or 2 days ago him and can it work say but who say COVID is serious right now as we are speaking the death there is still less than 1,000 in the country. That is known death.
Yeah.
But
the known ones.
Known ones. What about the unknown ones?
Yeah.
Who say the trade-off is better. If you say you know we are not want to buy now you demystify all this vaccine hesitancy, misinformation. A very important message that the best COVID-19 testing and so even though about homodin still we can do more making sure say it's available more. There's a
voluntary testing
that's a very good question. There's a new rapid kit test on Madiaba. I understand say even in Europe and other places they try to make it even over the counter and I say easily that people can get it and test themselves. But voluntary testing is there if you suspect say when you be now exposure. But not any of the now known centers. That's one of the areas about improve any help for say COVID and only 2 centers. Cases high CCR and then the Gucci. But as I'm speaking now, we've increased to 43 centers for testing.
And another challenge is that how many Ghanaians know say 43 no? Even if I feel we are, I can go there.
That is good. You call Ghana a COVID-19 update website now and list all the facilities now. Testing for COVID. And those are some of the challenges. And ideas are you need enough ICU beds in the country.
Yes, a shorty, Kwalibu dia shorty, University of Ghana.
If you don't have enough, they have 2 beds. 1 bed for 200,000 people for intensive care.
Wow.
It's not a new program, it's been ongoing, but I think that this is the time to focus on it and increase the bed capacity. Likewise, the ventilators. Again, there's no need to panic. We are not anywhere as bad as the other people. Wow. And most people who have the COVID now, their disease management is not a very severe one that requires intensive care or a ventilator. Some would need oxygen. That's another area we need to deal with. Oxygen, most of them will need. Actually, it's the most. Some considerable number of them will need it. We have to make sure that there's oxygen available to give to the patient because usually my oxygen you go with the coffee. And just fighting COVID on your own. So that is one area. In fact, health plan. We are requiring all the teaching hospitals now, and all the regional hospitals, and even some of the large primary or district hospitals should be able to generate oxygen on their own. There are machines or generators that can generate oxygen. And so another thing we are monitoring for this. There are some industrial grade oxygen or more steel industry. Some of the things they do also produce oxygen. Some welding and other factories. It's a byproduct of some of their chemical processes. Some of them are finding their way into the hospital use. We are working with all of them to make sure that they go through sufficient filtration and then they put in appropriate cylinders. So that it becomes a hospital and human grade.
Right. I was Dr. Philip Yabano, CEO at the Mahefra, and then Edin Komo. We say, Semi, good evening. Congratulations to Doctor for giving us this teaching. God richly bless him in advance. He should come every day to the station always. Derry Timothy, Derry. The tell us, Doc, unso bisu akra. Intinyame adom na obekumase and otimi ma adom bi asuya so na yetimi oye papa prekope into dukumase na so oba then no edi nkomo inti da bia de be yedin but I think say ya na be kwaso we say good evening sir Mike. Doc, you should admit fully that their funerals have caused for all this. Okay, Jonas, that's the. Sir Mike, I'm watching the show. In fact, the CEO has taken his time very well to educate us. Please, can you ask him for me his feelings about the way we are accepting the new data variant now? Can he talk about that one? I believe say Nanaya say which them say we are obey we do Kumawood ye 1 week Christa 1 week o back Kumasi una mo take care mo who say Ghana for who say yes I just say another. Are we observing the protocols at least?
Oh, protocols. Yeah, I think a criminal KMA any cases here for announced it has gained new focus, new attention. Was here monitor international news now. It was a Delta variant about India. I'm saying, Bosman, you know, Yaba. On the mention about Europe, so better now 2 minutes. The Ghana near monitor until say Achimota in Kuala school for secondary school near the Nemo started testing technology. And I'm penny and pounds, you know, came in the kids upon so a kind. Is that is about near a Mubiana, my bay. I bought the room, meaning say other networks and so the same. Nitra, a palm no child, no at the corner, a near man nine or Catawine or Ronsa, social distance and chair. You maintaining, I said a Yama Alpha variant, it also work for the Delta variant. The Delta variant, is a more deadly than the other the first few ones nearby. New message I say, but it's the same measures na my empire Infiniagro. Yes, it will be I try not to scare people. I try to give you appropriate information.
Okay. Madam Jubi Kete, Mike, I'm writing from Kintampo. Please ask daughter for me. Is it not a way by which the president and their government always want to turn issues just to say that COVID is around for us not to complain? Until Jubi, I don't know if I will agree with you on this call there, but if I do a muya de amono. Na mo de bibia bobo yare na ba na Ghana for say. Bon.
Kacha Jubi say me say ono aminim enimi abema wa na say na doctor wa me na ni dim ko. E de me scare nipa. Ya ran o te news wa the whole world na aba. Say Delta no. Yes, said the French propaganda me no BD. The Oman Hobai na Sabio, I ran for us some baby and sign.
We say good evening, Sir Mike. Tell Dr. Bano that we need him in Kumawood as our every year. What if you could buy every year? The Amoya the manager on to some of the catch them say half the boy why is serious no. Doctor is not coming until some catch them me na make on Dr. Neka. Safi the boy is serious. But to me yeah is what I say. The any common we and I operate time the be this come on. Someone say Zebu say well every doctor watch out dear. We say good evening. Good evening, Sir Mike. Thanks so much for this education. In fact, Doctor has been doing good to us. But please, let him tell us what is the government position in this new variant. Doctor, about the no
you and measures now in America. If the first time now after one buy, it could see I buy increasing treatment centers.
Okay.
From 2
to 43.
No, to 70.
Oh, okay.
Centers. Yes. 43 labs.
Okay, labs. A bit more testing.
Okay. Both private and public. But maybe a bit me call or meet me a show.
Okay.
Say I do 70 across the country. Or my training nurses, net doctors, net pharmacists, the brain. So many of whom here and them guys don't panic. And our ventilators, no oxygen, but we need more of those things. And there's a new place called Ghana Infectious Disease Center. See, within the last year, since the COVID to monitor all infections. Oh man, when I'm a class lab, there was special software. The lab need to a capture number one centralized database. Very so much.
Okay.
It's surveillance, outbreak response management analysis system. unya pere be behind all these for the 3 centers back after data you about use a cost to an answer
okay Dr. Biwi as a good evening Sir Mike. We thank the doctor for his teachings this evening, but the government is not helping in this time at all. I don't blame Ronaldo and his government much, but rather blame we the Ghanaians who voted out John Mahama and brought Ronaldo to power. We have really sold out our current TV to buy black and white power. Atani ata seshi anyaso tanoso in the baby any anyaso beka constituency. Okay, ata doctor the COVID no any can wasem COVID so the ya den any man this any MPP. It will be bye yeso ya this and this ni bia so free mo COVID. Mo na say dem ko kokoko ya.
Say any man MPP any man this.
Sir, I didn't see by a next microphone. Was a health minister Achino, Napu Achino, Carlos Achino, even the TNT said John, a crowd of COVID and a chino. But you had anti and this in the Achino. I'm going to buy SEO. No,
one minister said, Yana knew whoever.
Sure.
Said health minister and your power center, people will not be in what.
Sure.
I'll go over and new 1 or 2 days with you in all him. Like I said, you know, you see, you do then it makes the news. But say, and this may mean support. But say, Omura anymore, Jerry Doro. Said the suspicion was yeah. But politics is not.
But you know, equal fight in the fight. The common enemy is COVID.
The common enemy is COVID. And we must all bind together as one Ghanaian family.
Okay.
Find this. It's as a Sebio, Abia, Unia, and this and MBB. On Benyaya.
Okay.
I think because one day, on to me and the home.
Yeah.
And to get your command a year and an abusin, 1 moment I saw him.
Good.
I see you put a 2 side money.
Doctor, me jam wako. The only chat on COVID, no. Now, Mimusa said, so the way you see you. Inti wo the one, you can't watch that. Say, dear, say, you come over. And the from whom some watching of one casa de Dianca or Honchero. Anna, Oman Master said, oh, me feel says, Sabia say, as a trap primary fee. Yes, Sabia, Bibia, ye pepe da honor. But make I am in about 4 or 5 years ago. Mipa put me for every 24 hours of electricity. And the next 18 hours, now I ordered to do so. And then the whole week, after 2, 3, 4 hours. Yeah.
Now, sounds
like they do something.
I do not sample. I mean, now one day, as a piece and Ukraine. Okay. I improvement. Okay. Because the US, European countries, they laid people off.
Okay.
I'm buying us a lay off work. As you hear me, I'm buying lay any single person. No one person was laid off.
I buy you, my dear, but private, private,
just be private. I buy you, be a every day, and pound. And the summer quite near New COVID class. Send you now, or my Amanda Dano in normal times. I'm trouble paying even teachers and nurses. That's not make us someone.
Yeah.
Sabian, I'm an airborne money. Then in row. Any hospital, any testing, start testing it won't like $30-40. My family in Rwanda, we've tested almost 1.4 million testing has been done. Abana Fahu Kenya. Oxygen, Abana Fahu Kenya.
The young Caribbean is free. They will be able to do. Then first, the Manyame.
First, the Manyame. Now, the make a chat one, because me best policy in the last word. The last one, best in country say, you know, more social media now, or more a vaccine is saying, but woman raffle. That's a big boss on the Yahoo. Go have some of a 9 no matrasi. I'm a vaccine. It be more say, yeah, vaccine, you know, more you know, back on. By 2 years' time, no, be other cop. The same confusion here. If you want me for they fight about vaccine all the time. Because if some nurses because of vaccine, and they see no hospitals. Money heavy, Mungo on them general. into the confusion in there. Make us say a genuine commission, but we shouldn't push it down because it's the only thing we have to protect us.
Right.
Not a catch to us.
Doctor, you're not sick. What time is supper? So when you be at the Amay,
Amen.
Right. I was here, Dr. Philip Yabano, a CEO at the Hefra Health Facility Regulatory Agency. A doctor on the Danu in the hospital. What there? On a chief compound be health center be hospital be any health facility be a lab crown or so or the key fit crown on your health. Not ensenia more than a friend. And I said, my sonte, or about now I come and near me now at me to Dean. Yes, I say, well, hey, and you could be, you know, I am SMP, but I'm a pem and a doctor be a horse so uncle. You tell now, yeah, boy from Crato and family bar. Administrator at the NDC, Ashanti region. Several last review. Watch that dear, a retirement. Is a crown and consumption debut crown and consumption 18 years a trim. And you grow still, or you're strong. Who said this with Yabua Ghana? That's what they tree or her. Sanson as Swansea, the whole group NPP communication officer or a set aside. And so, ha, Vinyamre, Nafi, at me, Edding Como. You tell Robber, a bar, a better.
Animudia me man for ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra
adwuma me mene da okay kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto me yawo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini enwo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matramadol wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho mene wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi wo ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba bonten enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be hunu sɛ ɛbɛyɛ mmeremmeremre okay a wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwuru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mmerɛ enwura sunsumu ena osukɔ na o haw eda oso no Mala mohwɛ na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwɛ ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so agye afiri nsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Mala mo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana obefre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
Enyarwa hodo ben na agi ni padua no aboso yare bi ti se eni yare akoma yare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo mekanfo tahwid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie ni padua no ne titiw ede ma emma wonoma wo fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono madam Katri tonica eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichi konso aye kama ye won fidie wa waso a ye de ba adwaman so a ye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi ya ro hodo ahintanyi nyina edi Katri clinic ewo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne yewo madam Katri clinic ya re nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
well all pia you say free mu why the den it is slower we na fa kokko we film na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo ya dena ma me wo de we na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye digma na ma me why slower e bu say yenko Kumase mun ko Kumase
oh nah it's been a long time oh yeah
me say minia obra kwantu ya o semina na ma yan ka twene ahwe dan yo na bisu ya pani asoma me semina me pada o Kumase akamara na me say ya chini ya nya da ka yi
na nsani o na nsemu na that's why mo shia me dey we need problem kra wo beje di say me free Dubai betru Ghana ana me na confident woto na nan mo nsia do ne eje yi ni bo me so e wa brede me ni kapre odu obi na kire me go straight casket shop e wo Kumase labor haya me ko ho no ma anu musa ni me yes kan hye ye o
wo de bi ntwa no misika ya di ma me se me papa no iswa afesu ya se me ambulance na me sam pe de be da no enka
ambulance ani de be da ho omu ya ambulance service into ni problem kra ani na ye ye ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know say Kumase stay by plan no ye kudam ko tira o some Cosway casket shop here ye wona ka me bere te se de mu ni na Cosway casket shop you will Kumase in front of New Town ye di labor office na ben Cosway casket shop we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
The animudia me man for ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo o ma asofo so no manya ma asore ma akom
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a che no wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra
ya djuma me mene da
okay
kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto me yawo so me hwawo because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 50 years on nanteda
right ebusa amesai emu akaba go so ehs tunupe it is live on Kumawood TV within edit Mike Tia Ashanti regional director edema Hefra and all Hefra workers are more Santimante Muha. Chamanusa, anyway, for a champa, Yamistam. Mobojima, one day, a more visit. Na Yadama said, Mobilism see was with Yama and any at me, and Yano at me, Eddie and Komowa. Uguso, Asher, Sinupi, they all my chance here, for Sata Sari, a NPP regional communication team member, of course, once a kind of here. The early do one. The one on the Mutakawa and for Cassia Pa, the Lukaya, Mutaka, Bono Propa, on the communication officer. In fact, that day, the fight was too much for a communication officer. Sata cover.
Then you say, Mike, Adam Dawson, who's why?
What's your name? Come up.
Medas
tomorrow.
Pachon,
come up.
My wife now, about my dear Pam said,
what? Administrator demand this Ashanti region. About Santimantem NDC, Peseka Kakawaha, administrator honor, woman one to and this is for it to miss your woman one. I've been to Adam. And I didn't about you to my that would Johnny and this maybe one and what I view administrator. So let's cover.
Yeah, dying.
Pacodia.
We to me. You to me, and I am yes, I video in a minute. Shall we do it?
Video no boys never come to call her.
The video now 2014 Sadiq as one say constituency office where this car war no come they will be.
One hour had a minute income.
So and this was says what? Says what? No, so our party office. So there is a sick guy was Sadiq. so Bekaya, Ekuno, and ne, Bissine, nobody has been prosecuted. And so most of them must say your office and your Kukumipa. Munamudika Kumobi office. Ordinary adio, Polafoko ni Korea Pong, adio Saki, a Christian, their own nipa, Ekuno. When the young come was it, they get on better. Me now see a party officer.
Well, over the week, in some no also, from Monday by in Sembibri, appointment of a new IGP taking effect from 1st August. A COP George Akufo Dampare will take over Nyame Adba from the 1st. The home come over. Special prosecutor Kisi Jabin, and also a vetting, appointment committee ahead, a vetting, and also a home come over. The issue of a Jumaya Fakatria, some 4% Abba, Ma Mokatafa was the debit. Sikanisha, and from the door. One penny, MJ almost 77%. Now, Emma or more 4%. So, an investigative association strike arms or more condition of service. And so on, some another issues, of course, now in Yamre, now yet me estimate. I don't Fabra, now Yankin and for Emma. So, alas,
yeah,
now what you mean some. I mean, I see.
Yo yancha Ghana fo nyina mo amohwe ni mo amutie na yemfa na ase kese pa ma management of Kumawood TV mo dawroma ani ni patimi hwe ni patimi etie sisi ya kese memfa ncha kese e ma utu champion o ya MPP ni branch chairman e wo asueboa e na King Promise so e wo enya ye Tanoso Anyan Kwanta Isaac nso ho na didibo ewo ho hajia sa so na cha Eric MPP ni den kan royal ono mani the gas section na ochi munye bebe na CCC me teacher ni tise de oye teacher ni set na minim so no so
teacher ni
anti teaching no ho asem no ehiame 16th of July 2021 and the Ghana Education Service issued this circular to all regional directors of education. And on my head is a mid-semester break for Form 3 students in all senior high and technical schools. Or say, management of the Ghana Education Service GES wishes to inform all heads of senior high schools that all Form 3 students are permitted to go on mid-semester break from Tuesday, July 20th to Sunday, July 25th, 2021. Academic work should resume on Monday, July 26th, 2021. Circular way, and they call baby directors, or more district directors, district directors, no. And more headmasters are more districts.
Yeah.
This was issued on the 16th, which is Friday, last week. I can't say much in Korea. And Korea say, Oma Bobo, so Mukofi, a Dwada. After a Dwada, Korea because coffee Sunday, the way I see it now. Now, this letter, this circular by 19th of July 2021. Regional directors of education rejoinder and as agree reference whatever it is mid-semester break for Form 3 students in all senior high and technical schools. Reference is made to an earlier communication on the above subject matter. Reference is also made to the attached letter from the Director General of the Ghana Health Service with reference number this which cautions against the mass movement of students due to the recent outbreak of COVID-19. Management of the Ghana Education Service, GES, therefore, wishes to inform heads of senior high schools that students are not in capital letters and was to be allowed to go home during the mid-semester period. Mid-semester break should be observed in schools with no academic activity. Academic work to resume on Monday, July 26th, 2021, as earlier communicated. By this letter, regional directors of education are to inform all heads of senior high schools to take note and to communicate same to staff, students, and parents. Signed, Dr. Kwabena Demba Kano, Deputy Director General, Quality and Asset. Q&A. Sanitary. Now, the year can say, before some of this circular number out, someone called me semester break. Me semester break be no higher man over 1 week. Midterm. So you say sign a friend.
Midterm.
1 week.
From so midterm, the one I know, they say you are there Tuesday.
Almost Friday, no more by Monday.
No, not all midterms like that. Who have it about Thursday, about Sunday.
And I make a weekend. Middle of the week that midterm be anywhere called middle of
the school, but midterm no. Just in as a first next school be no. Our time command the student.
Around the same time. Around the same time. Say September, October, November, December. It can half. Yeah. No must start it. It be 1 week.
Say na be say we na mutu go fie bia from this day. More report this day. But at first no. If you are prepared for me to on the 19th.
Not the following week,
not the following week. But if you are on 19th. But if you are on 21st, no, another school. So
the following week. Yes.
But now, no, you know, only once.
And I may say, you're breaking out to that. Where now?
So what's wrong with them now?
Neighbor. And I'm going to prepare my mind for it. And could I idea before some midterms are breaking, next semester break all the way. Yes, what we are doing. Buffer stock company and team supply more supply we in and a very welcomely no I can't tell say omo coffee for one omo prepare my so omo ko week adie bechi am omo akwa o se je kan na yeboa
I say advice not from Ghana Health Service
if you man consult Ghana Health Service and tell you that on Friday that's the point that I'm drawing so there must be coordination oh o fiti ya o se monko Health Service can 2 days later I was in can remember. And the Kumasi girls free and say na do danko ekufu do near the usi en kofi. Ya boy. Ya be kwa o say dey tie dey be ko hey na soldier for near police for you Kumasi girls for so na ebini wo.
From the regional police command. Almost say omo information can school ni bia.
Is the regional police command what they say no a law? Is are they the authority? Were they there?
For me, I tried my checks and there wasn't anybody who can say.
Kumasi girls, we take our own bread and sugar to dining hall. Students, July 21st, 2021. A student of the Kumasi girls SHS, Ama, not every name, has shared a story of starvation at the school over the past week. Students of St. Louis and Kumasi girls senior high school went on rampage on Monday, after which a joint police military team went to the school to calm the situation. Tihai, so see a more. Omo kutu jakodano kan pepe. On Monday, our headmistress called us and said we were to go home for a midterm break, but it was later cancelled. We started screaming because other schools had gone on break. As things stand, we do not have food to eat. We don't have food on campus. When we eat, our leftover food is given to the Form 1 and Form 2 students. We go to dining with our own bread and sugar, so we wanted to go home and bring provisions. Confirming reports of military brutalities on the students, she recounted, when the military and police entered the school, they entered the dormitories and started beating us because we refused to stop screaming. They kicked us on the floor. I was kicked in the abdomen. One of the colleagues had marks on their body, and some were also bleeding as a result of the case we were being beaten with. We were kicked on the floor by the military and police officers.
And I'm telling you, sir, when you go to school today, to find out some here. School for anywhere you will so the catch yourself the Kobono. And the Ghana Police Service, Kumasi, Asante Regional Commander Abeka said, Amuku school to maintain order. Why do you think, sir, Akona was say or screaming? a police officer or a military officer. Let me
tell you why I'm saying it is. 1999 at Prempeh College. Ukurani a small DDB campus in the night at around 8 o'clock, 8:30. Anado. After church, it was a Sunday. And the then headmaster, Saddam, he called in the police. And the police for the Vandi at that time, and maybe Kakaka, only free up production. Mobile, near Tima calm down the students. I'm Obia dormitory. There was nobody visible on campus. Obia corridor. Omobe see Agri House. I mean, so police for at that time. Omusi they went straight to 82 hours. Once the children were sleeping, and the students started screaming. They call how more bro or more belt. Later, Nomba said, "Why do you do that?" I said, they beat them. Me say evidence. And the police for no case call yam for almost I don't believe it. I couldn't name my testimony. Okay, you be victimized.
Okay. So again, what you read now was saying said amunya di anini. I'm the one bread no sugar na echo. So since Monday, ABC net. I didn't know the
okay what you say omo kwa kokwa ni aye koko no nko in pan no kan ho no omo ko pan no eni asichire ko no omo di akodi. That is what he is saying. Enti papa ankrofo nko undercover di no omo ko adi ifese di omo kan nya no kra eno omo se omo kwa form 3 for the di ka ko no omo di wi a de be ka no ye jama form 1 any form 2 for di. What sort of thing is that?
Set. What's this story over the week? There is no way for me. Me tell you, me say not at the end of the crack. That was senior high school now. But that one, I know. Say na senior high schools need to have if it's challenges. That be another one. But to say no munya be new crowd here, I may be the last person to say that. Me you.
Sorry. The first time in officials, my main child. First time in initial programs.
Wow.
But the cook will be on party office no day. They know me call her. Na me war around. Na me war from Quantaya the intimate hey. The honor me home offer. But my first time initial programs in my main enchant. My main chair could for soon cancer. Incoming see you. For incoming see you.
For days.
First, no, you see
our CEO for accredited center. Or some me friend incoming CEO.
Oh, okay.
Into my main chair.
Also, baby,
what would you? Na main chair.
No, no, way you but want me for feeling.
Dr. Audu Rauf, Registrar Pharmacy Council. Doc, Michapa, or any wife, Hafsat, Michano, Michami constituency chairman. Na Micha constituency executives na. Venture regional executives. Right, I was sitting to meet them. So, like, baby, I have a free, you know. Benra, my sister say money case. Until within the week, now, me says more about my terms. So, I called a friend, you know, so on my. It's a number of idea a sentiment. I'm saying, fast school, my because business. Or problem and I know one day. Problem be anyhow. Na man pon de nsuana o mata ho ten. Na msesa. Omunya aduane no so dining there has been as omoba school na. Nti omuni aduane problem na so. Ti me wo bi so kuma se girls na me friend. Ta bisa ne se na omuna omo akofa makokan to ka bisa se wona makokan to ka so dia fo ababu no. No so what is it soldier for a war? But honor dear, where who be? As a man or catch him.
What is it? It's a hostel. In the moment at the time. Abab a boor more school more. But on no to school more, where what is possible? Which is possible, yes. Very possible. But a bayer, I used to say, the BBC school now, quality school hall. At the Archie 3 days, now still. Onya home. So what if we are wanting you? So when your calls from outside,
say I be say my friend na ono so amafo na say
one customer who so for na post for school mo
oh who be
but they went there
who be well who be
it means no ebia no issue need
yes but if you listen to the narrative of Ademeya so you for school who dormitory per what the narrative akwala no dey man akobo omo ebutu this there is a grand scheme against the free senior high school, which NDC and some media houses so say free senior high school education school na free amasabi yen ehia for emma ne womo amu papa no ewo bi nanka elite schools ne secondary schools so mu feel say e womo preserve yomo papa no meja pada na se omu fie ja pada so omu ko na yen yetra fie ba sisi na do adaroma ye nyina ye kobi no ha wo no omu pese omu yesa na omu run free senior high school ne da so there isn't any program that doesn't have challenges. Same now to say I don't know so what is in Sweden or China. Germany in Sweden or how many people will be up to now Michigan in Sweden or so everything that happens in this world is see what baby but a good baby yen yet me a demonize ya dear be money yet to say bon sama dear
is see a mujitum say a Castellania shorty. For me, as I said, no, said a cast of there. I may doubt that one. I said, I need to be short, maybe I think Colano. Say, Coco, are you at the moment? With the about 3 times or
3 mornings.
Yes.
And answer 3 times a day. 2 different things.
3 mornings.
3 mornings.
Yes. But they are not at first, no.
No, sir. The whole week, medical quan or pebia be seen.
And you see, because you are never a shorty and answer.
It's minimum said, I know how short will be feared, I can't tell.
Because Colonel say, you be Tom Brown, you be a Yukuku, you be a Meridiano, you be rice water. Rice water. So,
many change here. It is, or it can be due to so many factors. Other than a Bianiash. Mean discounted the fact say a Bianino a shorty and I say the supply and alcohol. Mean discounted that fact. But the fact say only one breakfast for 3 consecutive days. It doesn't necessarily mean say a Biani aranishon. Sakole yi kase. Omu call a friend say omu do more sugar, omu bread na call breakfast. Omu call lunch near no moma omu do mu stew na ekwana.
That's the question you're asking.
The Oya report, now also bisa palan. Some multi call school. Not from 3 4 kwa, ya dining mamu. Not from 3 4 to me could dining. Am I dear back catching a so from 1 4 so from 2 4. From 3 4 the other door send the man. Sabi, Mike, Sabi, we are doing politics. But a good baby, come on. For secondary school.
They should talk about dining.
Yeah, they should talk about dining. Dining, no qua dining. Chance here, they dine the Biani Boom. A beer, me call school, me Anglican secondary school. Me table near year 24. A Biani at the Bebano. A year 24, beer, Sobano, 24, a Biani in the womb. Be asa 2 ladders, asa. And it go Benny at the bread or more. From 3 4, Moody D and son from 1 from 2 4 bedidi. Dada. After the amount of Diania, Mumu Diria. Na Ebia Saka. I'm a form 2 for any form 1 for Ababe Didiaka. Yet time that sending in our Sabine at the best table this one. She should tell us, say, Ebia the quantity that you're the Maomono. You are restricting, but look at somebody we are not left over, no. Who are teaching me?
I'm not left over.
That was what of a real year. Was it left over? See, I can't left over. A Yabiania Medi, Sebi, Amama me, I'm a Biaka.
Yeah.
What did you mean? I'm a Biaka, I'm a Diaka, I saw from 1 4, I saw from 2 4.
That's a common no.
I just a common no, that's a Biano crown shot to it. Logically, as I may know, who say,
The common is had no mama.
I don't know. Some media houses. Some media houses. Say where media house. Meaning the emoji. Just say Bissau. Smart as a Bissau. Meaning the free senior high school, the free wa. Omubenya. These issues, where these issues. You go secondary school. Me go secondary school. I need to yaka. Me school I go to a time. It got to a time. Na bed I obey that so. Who nya I told them. But me no be about down the trunk ni chop boss sa 1 year. Oh nya bed na. But me to your school fees. You see, you can't say the problems that exist, you know. You need to. But my young to say these problems have arrived because the car sent Kwalano or beyond secondary school free. No,
but Odu say I say administratively. And then my head down because we sir. Even with respect to information. And then I catch them and say, all final year students, home school, home bedroom school, with all the rest of the never go back. Or how they catch us all final years. And what I'm exams. The way we are touring with their minds. Yeah. Mon commit them. I cannot prepare so call near Saba, Mamma call. And even the way I would say, the communication the course. Hey. About someone call into the Unyan call. You see, if you speak to the students like this, do you expect them to?
I perfectly agree and understand the point that you are raising. Who say Kwalani culture exams into best authorities? A group there should be no offer there should be collaboration in information dissemination because we are not in normal times. May Naji midterm letter the crown na me who it was Ghana Health Service there no. And communicate na me who say they should not allow the boarding students to go home because of the variant for now abandoning the insurgence of the numbers in the COVID cases. So I thought, okay, a good idea. Not knowing said there has been a communique say midterms it's your best your best my minister health service because a GS and a extra schools. It is a issue to deal with that. They should sit down. Also, many GS discuss it. So, be a long term that I must start in Kalani Bear School. No occasion so. Keep say the numbers this year. No midterms, motion change. So, month number GS and follow my calendar and send them about more an instruction because the times that we are in, no, and yet no mind. The best say there should be coordination in their activities.
Okay. Our travel logistics say encourage supposed to Dubai. I don't know. Honor opportunity the links near very strong. Engineer might be also could buy 3 months or give us amount. Offering July, August, September. Now Osaka visa could buy for Juma and discover if you to Quadia make for our travel and logistics. And a day amount of a friend that was 0552 373 027 0552 373 027. Mana Mohammed Spiritual Health Center PROMOTIONAL TV or a mana. Spiritual and a Herbal Center. It was a how a man the only money in another now to me and more. See, you know, it is a year I want a wire thing, she can stand a wire thing. Yaribia and opposite or her. It me as a mode. What in Tinchana, I know at the Moama and a Fabian and from episode D. We had man quite the one what made ye. So and sorry, Brookie Homes. If you're not teacher. Unto who I say, Bra, Namalam, and more so, Hannah, and you be on a court case, Baba. Well, now, to be for company so agile, what Japan from some man, said, Bra. Go to be a Scafaman and a man Muhammad or my friend was 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 after with me or so. And if you had said that you make a cancel tea, you so 1 year. I was a penny man when you are seeing my friend. Young Casa Mobra, but not Mosiache, as of what if you are bound to my Aston, what do you think? Who can be police and Yabro? They be stiff in a bush, penny, never go crew. Down to me, 1 million year, and Garcia Pan, because of the bra. Oh, said upon whom you walk. So, yeah, when is Capradia bra? For Daka, ambulance, video coverage, Uncuya, canopies, and sun, and the sound system. Now, I be so in area. Branoma be ye this canal for your fan. The way air for power, only you inquire with a benefit to our call. Now the cocktail was a me, me, and I'm a me, and I mean, the quiet ye, men have been for ye. There's only in alcohol fee, who you pet scan the buy and no time. I could be a interest beyond studio home. A ghost with casket shop. Kumasi as a Puliban about. And or my friend 0243 457 0243 457. I feel what you mean. So, we say, good evening, Sir Mike. Please tell Savalas that he is looking good under this government. You should be grateful to the wisdom of His Excellency Nanado. Please tell him that I said none of the students at Kumasi Girls were beaten. I am sending him a video of the girls being interviewed by Hello FM presenter. They confessed that no one was beaten. Abba. Chamanusa. There they Abba and no. Do we have media houses that are more the beating of the NDC? And automatically, if yes, then you could also have the media houses that also here bidding for the NPP. To the bar, there is a counter, and also the possible. And Chairman, it's only a question I'm asking. Well,
Sir Mike, there are video recordings on Koda Umochi Abiabia.
Yeah.
Kumasi Girls.
A soldier for one.
Me say soldier for saying, you know me, Abiabia, Maho, or Mobaho, and Abiabia, Bina Huatita. And this almost we are. So, Regional Minister can say, we will cry you sooner or say assault. Regional Minister Anka, or continue interview. Who sooner a day? And that's what we say, soon will be an assault. He doesn't know that. Abba. And to me, and say, can the first one can say, Omudia leftover no. And on the fund doesn't mean say a Biani media manacao. Somebody decide not to take it at all. Yeah, dear Biani, you are mammy for the night. Me buy no so mini. So, and I say, my E a number could be Eddie. The Akanisho. Yami leftover. Yes, that is what it means. Because Okoko di Cocoa, as it training, according to the girl, no, as it training, pan on Kaho. Mumusa Kumasi said, Mr. Say at the buffer stock na dey come home.
Okay, and we shouldn't also take the issue say and I'm so be our country no, but we should also investigate to find out say if you cry no and say on performance we dey move here.
I na make I say omo we the school hormone omo security system here bad. Omo security system here bad. Nti Kumawood TV ha ye was here ya kase. Security system here bad nti no omo wia. Omo hwe no omo check omo system no. And I'm saying is that the fact say leftover doesn't necessarily mean so media manaka. Okay. Somebody decide not to eat at all. So Oma can't count the other. So from 3-4 years in a May, report on a Monday. Yes, it TV the almost corner the following week, not from 3-4 years. The following month, almost Amrano. By catch up, so more report to be what. They write the exam. This same correctness will break it for 1 week. What necessitated that breaking? The necessity that you need. Mom, so go home and let's organize ourselves. Okay. Now,
this week,
Inspector General of Police, and there's one coffee. Proud to retirement. Uncle the leave, terminal leave. Proud to retirement.
The time was not.
Debbie, the time was October. October 6th October.
Okay. Yeah.
2020. Yes. It was 6th October. And there's work. Until whatever any
the man contract.
The man contract in the October 6th.
Yes, that's what I mean. Okay.
Oh. Yeah. Nanado Danko Kufuado did the same thing to Asante Pietu. Nanado Danko Kufuado is the only head of state in Ghana with the minimum the history of the head of state. Within a period of 5 years, IGP in Kwasi Sanfo. Over 2 Alasan, Alasan. Oba and Oya Alasan. And Oda Asante Pietu by. Asante Pietu, SUG 2 years. And Opamano, and Ode Opon by. Opon, and 1 year and Kakra, and Opamano, and Ode Ado Dampariaba. Within a period of 4.5 years, what changed IGP 4 times? There must be stability in the security system. Because only or I say, organ used to the system now, or say, under Opon and the current police system, under Nanado Danko Kufuado, there has never been any head of state, history of head of state, I mean, a police for ya Kumomo, ya Molestomo, chain Nanado Danko Kufuado only 4.5 years either. ye tutu di abo police na kuno ye buru police ni commit suicide ye we it is very 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 common with the government of the Nana Addo Dankwa MPP than any other government in the history of Ghana. Na semnisia police na no or gadi adino sikano buvan ye tutu ekuni upon at the IGP. What did he say? There's nowhere that crime is everywhere except in heaven. Na upon wako heaven order and we go who say heaven the crime ni ho onim say Lucifer no or esoro and e pam no man be fam and dey be see man pe fam and revolt and cry so enti random adi hwe Asante Apietu Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo appointed as IGP in March or so 2017 no now he was due to retirement in September 2017 ebeka bosumi nsia amana ko pension and oil this September drew you know and man contract for 1 year 2018 it drew you know and was man contract for another 1 year 2019 na muno and appointed upon a deputy inspector general of police somewhere in September nebeka 1 week ama upon a pension 1 week amana ko pension until 1 week drew you know man contract for 1 year 2020 October na mudabe August mo baby ena opamo Asante Apietu when him dey opamo Asante Apietu personal secretary, the private secretary, was a person who resigned to contest an NDC seat in the Upper West region. And I'm saying now all this time exactly all this time when you call your secretary who him so your NDC ni all letters about her passing through this guy, all letters echo passing through this guy. So they had they believe wrongly or rightly said only key information ma adi no problem Asante Apietu and appoint ebe acting adi na or confirm no after 1 year 2020 and on so upon say akabosome me ensan say bosome na no nko wi o on terminal leave brought to retirement Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo the president of Ghana Mr. Wadasibre we are president no so hand over all things being well 7 January 2024 remember 3 months before you are in what retirement 3 months would you leave so what it's a position
he has the right to appoint and he has the right to disappoint
and I'm say or leave that
okay
and no man don't go leave why they know so many no ain't the same thing who's the prison service so papa the head of the prison service who is the head of the prison service papa also exactly also a pension October year middle of October
I'm going to Omra set and then
say Omanpanyi ye to aba ye amamra no the constitution no e ma no sa atumi no say or appoint IGP nipa no appoint na IGP ka ho head of security services no e ka ho ana osan ho kwan say o retire na so o retire or your appointment awutimi ema so wa retire kra na wutifia obetumi afrel say adwuma we na mpesa obeye mame ntimi ma contract bi a 1 and 2 years bra beye mame and ne style and say obema wa appointment a oma de oho ni time enso oma wo ba na wo understand nipa no a oba be hye na nan no no wo hunu ba bia on anya han o say do ba bia hand over note and send bi oho a ntimi ma hand over note mo but obe understand nipa no ehunu so adwuma na nipa no ye no wa ye adru ha aha na sisi a wo opese ye de kwa ha na wa hwe adwuma na nipa no eye no ansa na nipa no afiri ho kra iko na what take you over that is the style I will use
and everyone you should know upon going to the end of October and Dampare ATP from 1st
August
yes since the acquire 1st October they another cash win aircron one
ne rate or call leave so the leave takes him to
okay that we know
but what I say and so like Dampare dia yeke he has been in the service for long since only the senior most serving officer in the service the police service currently
Are you sure?
He's the senior most.
He's the fourth.
He's the senior most. Offer check it.
Kofi Boache is the third. He's the fourth.
Check
it. He's the fourth. Check it. He's the fourth.
He's the senior
most.
7.
Kofi Boache is the fourth. He's the fourth.
Let me cross check.
He's the fourth.
Somebody check it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is an appointment that is based on merit. Yeah, well, that history so nipa no retirement and no aba be bo adwuma. No so okay. Se se amu wo mu dada no. Panin na wo mu no de odi mu nyina mo kan no. Ono emma be IGP no. And that party aye wa head almost every sector of the police service. Onim bibia e o se bibia esi anase bibia ehye. Enti ni appointment no enya out of place. That party aye ken Atamils Professor Atamils e wo so. Wonim se no ADC. Se ka ADC obi a nipa omampanyin no ene ne che esumu asem. Aye dampare. Into onim system, he has been in the system, onim system both in government, in the service. And on my penny say, Omrana Omeboa, Emma Yanchi of mine. So I know me assembly of her Tomua. I know be some one say. So I say, we are more Kumawood. Oh, poor free Kumawood qua. Me pato a Jumera, dear Okoye after Kumawood onim. And it is a Sabinamin Penwo, what Piako baby. Na asemwa kwa akoto out of working hours enu ye de shekuma udo adwumawura se police ni akọ commit suicide enu eyoma ye de show man pani
o kan se nke bai ana ye hu se aposifo no amo ogun opposite no sida atoka e baka makatua nsam ye ka wasomba
omo complain akatua. And your committee suicide no. You name the entity of committee suicide.
I rampant. I said a dorsal. You can go both for with Ghana or Bako Juma or Bana who can coach one of Bush Ghana mission. This
is the time. This is the time on Swa. This government aban weni abaya what provided logistics ama police chain any other government in this fourth republic. Any other government. Both bulletproof jackets, any cars, and nyoma ombe hia dia ye adwuma. Aban we are provided to any government. And it is a BB says here as a minor, let's raise an argument. Let's raise a conversation. Na yen hwe nyoma bi wo ho a. Oh, ask me more example. Say like, who free how be nim dia okoye bi mo. And it is a who kokoye wo nam e bia wo Kumawood t-shirt ne nam. E na akoye wa de. Sebi eno bi atutu ye nim de kosi woni nipa krontima nipa krontutu nyame pengu kafra what is asem enti wo hye Kumawood t-shirt doesn't mean say Kumawood adwuma ye fo na ye Kumawood adwuma wura na ote ho ye de nyame pengu
ebi so ebia wo hye no na ko ya de bi so na fa ne ye ba ba so ye beji Kumawood adwuma ko ni so beji fa so yes.
Adie na wo ye no se efa adwuma ne ho a ena obeji if it is say adie fa journalism
me emfa so bo no emfa emmo aban bia
ye say ye pese ye hunu sa ne o ma no anya yan regulate o movement to say judges
so about all commit suicide no omo in line of duty ye kumo.
So right, police ni bia yakunu in line of duty. Na me fa ne crazy. But adwuma bia yeye. Ewo hazard a edena. Adwuma bia yeye bia ewo hazard a edena. Kini ze teacher for na chalk chro. Yes, me kan article no se chalk chro no. My teacher for obenyini bedru baabi no na nani our problem with the site. It is a teacher, Yamin Pengu, teacher ni enyini na ni fra. Na just say aban no e na ama teacher for ni fra. Let's raise the argument. Let's raise the discussion. And some will see, yes, no create my mun some will see. Yentina say, okay, and you way na to a police for. Dear ni ebe ya fa as on mine.
police for a DNA a crime fast bomb. Okay, yeah, say very restricted movement. Yo, judges had to create but you hardly see them. Hardly do you see them? Because ethics no more who quine so omunyan maybe. Maybe I'm fear sport what me fear any. Me a police for be ho. Omu ya nam forward sports niwa. Almost I'm 536. Ube komu ye womu table special place. Sometimes in uniform. Sometimes argument. Sabi some no be argument na ni bufu no de pentua ebo honyame pemwo no de wowa. Ya beka say ya ku police ni ya sha ku fado.
We say wow, nice to see offer. He was my housemaster at Prep College in 1999. His account of the events that led to the police beating OT students is very true. Some of my mates were victims.
That's right.
We say, hi, Samai, good evening. This NPP government is like restaurant showing pictures of food they cannot prepare, and with all the are like empty tank. They always produce noise. Okay, so empty barracks. A black and white government. Atani ata inside Sefi. Tanoso, the Bieni and Yaso, the Kai. Ata Yana say. We say good evening, Sir Mike. This is the first time I'm watching Sir Wallace. In fact, I'm NPP man, but he's making my day. Wallace, how are you? And watching the fans. I'm running so
Adi Baha, Semoru, Yabaha.
Yes.
I think over 15th of August. And he be feeding 15th of August. Now you know, Cassie School. 15th of August. And Moru, Semoru. And 1st of August. Consider winning now here. Also, ye members no back, Kufia Moabe, future chief of staff.
Yeah.
Also, all worry. And you may just know Yanawari with the American sir. Yes, and twice a race to Melcom, a honor. Sorry. Adi honor. Nami we set can say now Dampari now or special aid to Adi. Kufu Dampari. Now, Wikipedia, you get something there. The second paragraph. Prior to being appointed as RGP, George Akufu Dampare served in different command and staff positions, including aide-de-camp to the vice president. Vice President Baumia, we on and on in aide-de-camp. Into Baumia and Naba, Yanado Danko Akufuado, added Naba, Baumia influencer. Or not, you know, vice president. Neither Mr. President into a IGP or protection. Until Dimika, what you upon Kuma flew away. Asante Regina, Asante Memuha. They said, Yanado Danko Kufuado and Kano. You are changing regional commands in Prensa. Son of you watch your Tama, President Kufuado by, who flew one as a Duku. Bye, it's a Duku and a Duku Kwama Fufaba. Never. Fufaba. Oh, Dukunkoi. Dukuko. Dukuko and tell you. That's one quite take ground. And also now we have the present IGP, our actor. Background, academic background, academic very brilliant at the man. Or say, prior to being appointed as IGP, we need criminal investigation police background or academic. Preventing by the because of why do you about Santa Regina Hana come okay I have to but I said the whole I didn't want your IGP. No take it Ghana or NDC man. You want to be watching to come. So young DC. No, you are NDC. Messi was very effective whatever you said. Oh Papa that you know welfare. That of general way, Sakwa. Because Momo cannot say, as I'm person who can say, busy about Sir Mike, he said that being called special prosecutor, and it was 3 hours of educating. Really? So, he said that being vet now the total
Godfrey Adami vet now. Who said there are 2 young, brilliant people with a lot of prospect and expectation. Yeah, best rewom, me rewom. Omuma Gideonwa, Omampenyi enya, ewo omumu na yen mebunu ne so eyensen na ho ama yen no omuma sa Gidie no eho adwuma na adi. Said ye mat na me do hu dede no na odi obi ehwamo no yesre kise jabe me sre no oma special office of the special prosecutor no oma nim emra office on fambe ye kasane letter trona mature pistol and an campesem prosecute obi and a menya no enya no ntini appointed se ka kasa nko a sebi nke de se Mike we kwa akotena because no journalist on na kasa ye na adwuma enti na se de na adwuma tie no enu ntina omampanyin enam attorney general so aboni din so me special prosecutor on my hu na adwuma he should work without fear or favor na on minor yentumi enkonko sibe said also ma corruption are expensive or ma corruption and expensive na omo endorse no say Mike we kakre because say dabin kakre kise dabin
o say ko fi nyame che o say no assistant health prefect college time that's right 99 batch say ko fi o say we the health dey say we go medical school and yo
pembele for my there
say one last bio administrator the NDC Asante region
kise dabin wa me kan 30 seconds
and I said sorry so
what's what the one for be kum to ni Nyankopon kura ntimi o si Nyankopon kura ntimi tu ko o si na ye Nyankopon ntimi nye o si Nyankopon kura ntimi
se oko engage in corrupt practice na bia unya $1 million na se charge you $2 million corruption
what no charge expensive what no charge what no charge what no charge what in Nyankopon kura ntimi tu corruption ase
nipa ni ska
Nyankopon
corruption away
bibia Nyankopon ye na wo ko wetna se ntimi Nyankopon kura ntimi tu corruption
eda boy e vetra se e mi so nya mra hwe da facha bi se na event be for course eda se da
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asore ma akom
obi o ho amene wo kasa isro ka chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra
ya djuma me mene da okay kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya djuma na fieda wo beto me yawo so me hwawo because nipa ana wo homeda Nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da wada form obi so ho